En lire plus. Update added attend. Is it possible he received an old or inferior role? Yes, it's possible. The end results are extremely poor. He should have stopped on the first strip and shipped it back, but unfortunately did not. It was not the bicycle surface, it was straight out of the box and prepared with denatured alcohol. Clean a whistle. Pro. Croisillon and very few air bubbles needed to be worked out. And that's where the positive end. Con. Croisillon and the tapsid were gummy, and remain gummy no matter how you try to clean them. Look like the adhesive was old and spreads out beyond the tap surface, looking nasty and attracting dirt. Croisillon de even after rounding the corner with fresh razors, they lifted on day 2. Immediately yellowing, so something is woefully wrong with the adhesive backing. So without even riding the bicycle, the long or side edges look nasty with excess adhesive and several ends are curled. Not impressed and would not recommend. Total waste of $, time and effort. Update. While my initial impression was negative, after contacting a company product rep, he received fresh rolls and the difference is night and day. He reapplied the fresh rolls and look great and HAS maintained that appearance. I've not used it yet, but it will do what he wanted to, protect my motorcycle paint work against and scratch. Love this stuff. Never used it before, so he was skeptical. Very similar to Gorilla Clear Repair Tap, just a little thinner. It has decent flexibility for the curve on a mountain bike frame. First strip he applied dry with many rub mark. Second strip he used window, surface cleaner rather than soapy water and it stuck like glue. No rub mark or bubbles, just a perfect glossy protective coating. My GT bike came with about 8 of protected frame on the entire bike, now she will be invincible. In my pictures you can see the top tube has some rub mark from dry application, down tube is immaculate from wet. Though he will say do like the grainy texture you can create with even finger pressure on dry application. Forget the rest, this is the stuff to buy. Tried several cheaper film kit with little success. This tap is super flexible and got round frame bends with easy unlike other product. Wish it bought this first time round. Wonderful. Good for what you said it. IATESH asterisk T hard today and the frame smacked up against the curb realness and good like. However, the tap seriously absorbed 80% of the impact. There was a small scratch on the paint, but the force at which IATESH asterisk T, it would have been so much worse without it. He could tell how much of the damage it deflected due to the peeling, scuffing of the tap at impact point. Also, when he peeled the tap off to replace it, it has zero paint damage i.e., the potential damage to the paint that can come from removing it. He will buy this again. Installed some of this on my new carbon mountain bike frame and various bits to protect the finish and offer a little padding. The tap is thicker than I thought it would be but in a good way. It is very sticky and stays in place. You need to make sure whatever you're sticking it to is completely clean. Even a little dust will cause a bubble. I was able to get most pieces on my bike without any bubbles and it is nearly invisible. It already saved the finish on the top tube from me being careless that would have most surely scratched the paint. Just a slight scuff on the tab that has almost disappeared after a couple weeks. Seems to have almost a self-healing capability to it. Definitely recommend this to others. This 12 roll is sufficient for a full suspension mountain bike. I have some left that will be applied to some other areas and doubling up the layers on the down tube to protect it from the gravel flying off the frontier. Used on my new bike. He wanted to protect my new frame. He did not like the options through bike shops because of the brand logo or lack of being able to customize the size. He highly recommend ISC Racer Tab Surface Guard Tab 2 X12 HT2128. This 8mm 6 stuff is just right, and it is outdoor grade. He had a hard time deciding on the thickness. The deciding factor was my call to the manufacturer who told me the thicker tap was less clear in appearance and the adhesion might be too strong if, when removed, it could pull up paint or decal. He tried to find the 3 megasecond helicopter tap, but he learned it is special order with a minimum quantity of AKs. Be careful if you think you found it. Click link in description for more reviews.